Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Novle. Today is 9 January 2023. Today's my Viva topic is encapsulation in Java. So this is the encapsulation is the OOPS concept. One OOPS concepts in Java. OOPS concepts stands for Object Oriented Programming Systems. This is the important topics of in Java. So encapsulation is the Java process of the wrapping code to the data into the unit. For example of the encapsulation capsule, which is the read serval medicine, we can create a next is we can create the fully encapsulation in Java, making the of the class private. So now we can the setter and getter method to set and get the data in it, the encapsulation. The Java class of the example of the fully encapsulate in a class. Advantages of encapsulation in Java. So by provide of the only setter and getter method, you can the readfully write the other words in you can other words you can skip the getter and setter methods. It provide the convert the data. Suppose you can want to the value you can want to the value which should be the greater than 100. Only you can write a logic inside the method. You can write logic square the negative number of the setter method. It is the way to the achieve data binding in the because class of the as well as the access to the private data members. There are the encapsules class is the easy to the test, so it is for the better for the unit testing. The standard ideas the providing the facility standard idea provide the facility generate the getter and the setters methods, so it is the easily fast and to the create encapsulation class in the Java. So next is the need for encapsulation in Java. This is the encapsulation impressive. The provide the coding the new test. We need the encapsulation Java for the various reasons. So various reasons. Better control getter and setter method, security, flexibility. In this other needs in the encapsulation in Java and or for the OOPS. So getter next is the better controls. First is the better control. This is the control the better code, and encapsulate provide the ultimate control over the members of the data methods inside the class or getter and next is the getter and setter method. The standard ideas provide the will support standard idea provide will support the for setter and getter methods in the encapsulation. This is the very secure and flexibility. This is the in OOPS concepts main OOPS concepts in Java. So thank you.